Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel, and this video I'm going to discuss about one of the scanners creation in Chartink. So look, let me find out how to find out such a great swing trading at the lowest level. So looking at this chart of Metropolis, so we find out a downtrend. So overall market in the last 10-15 days it is in down mode. So after the downtrend, so we should find out such a swing low or a swing trading opportunity at the lowest level with this single candle pattern. And also you can look at there as another swing low. So in lower the level after the continuous downtrend, when a swing low, so if we are able to find out any reversal pattern, so that may act as a good buying opportunity at a lowest level by using the candlesticks pattern. And here, so after the downtrend, so we find a reversal pattern like a hammer, and then we find out such a good move from 1400 to 1570 on Metropolis. That was a great opportunity in the stock. How do we find out such a kind of stock with our scanner? So we need to create a scanner in a charting. It's a tool to find out a trade opportunities or a tool to find out the stocks which forming such a pattern very easily. After finding the stocks, we can decide whether will go for a trade or not. So here we find another swing lower level, and this swing is greater than the previous one. So maybe a reversal opportunity which we can focus. And if you are looking at the previous swing which started here by the same pattern, and again one more swing is greater than, so here is another one swing. So maybe we are going to find out the lower level by using the charting scanners. And even a lot of stocks which recently formed, so like Federal Bank, that is also forming such a pattern. You can see there is a hammer but huge, but even if it is breaks 140, but now it is 144, such a good move. So one more swing, and again another swing here at this point, but we are going to use this kind of candle, so not this kind of candle, but this is also be a swing. So what we exactly looking for? So after a certain period of a downtrend in a market, so we are going to looking for a trend reversal candle that must be happen in the lowest level comparing the previous downtrend level. So that may be a good opportunity buy for a lower the swing level. So that I'm just looking for with this chart, with the scanner, and we have modified some custom indicator that may be going to work, and Metropolis and Federal Bank recently, and something like October. So a lot of stock is forming such a pattern and can be warm. So that is a great opportunity at the bottom. So maybe here 722, now 776 in copper, and that is also be moving. So after the downtrend, so we are not going to focus, the stock is keep on moving higher. I'm not going to focus, but the stock must be going down the lower level. Simply I just going to create this scanner with the help of charting. So let me start with the charting scanner. Okay, so that is a tool to find out conditions where it meets on any particular stock. That is what is very important. So I'm just always focusing for a future stock that always having a good liquidity, and I'm going to create this for a daily time frame. So simply I just go for highest price, the open price. There's a custom indicator which is not available in charting. Okay, so we are going to multiply the number. So how to multiply? So multiplied by the number, maybe around 2 or 3. So what is the logic here? So using this logic, we can find out such a even more powerful reversal. Okay, so 1 or 2 stocks only in the open minus low. So this is what the first condition. So that I'm looking for a stock which forming a such a lower level rejection pattern. Okay, and another one I'm going to calculate the range with a particular stock with a multiplication of number about a swing low. We are going to find out the stock at a very bottom of the swing low. It must be greater than candle size. Okay, these are all the conditions, and we need to get the close must be greater than the open. That we are looking for the positive day, because initially the stock moves very negative But after sometimes later the stock is recovered and closed positive. That is the condition which we have created here. And finally, so we are going to make use of the low of that particular day must be less than uh, minimum duration. That means 20 days low of daily. That means here 1 day ago. Okay, so this is what a condition which filter out a lot of stocks, and we filter out very minimum stocks. So we don't get any stocks. We say the scan as some name is called. Okay, so we can get only few stocks at this point. So Federal Bank for a swing trading. So let me go for a Federal Bank. So here is the point on 30th of October. So we find there is opportunity around 141.25. The bottom of this candle is around 130 to 7.25, maybe nearby 37 to 4.5 rupees, nearby 4 rupees. Now it is around 144. The high made is around 145. So 1:1 risk which is generated. But we are looking at this for a positional swing trading at a lower level. We are trying to find. So here you can also see there is such a pattern. After the downtrend, we find that at the bottom. So now there is a reversal that is happening, and finally such a big move. So maybe the candle low we can plan as a stop loss, but in this case it is giving you such a good opportunity, and any more opportunity like that. So if you find out, that should be an opportunity at a swing point. So we are not looking at the highest level, we are looking at the bottom. So maybe the swing point, here is the one more opportunity, and this time from 85 it went huge, maybe the multiple times of return. Okay, so but a short term trade or a long term, so you can decide, and the same factor you can also use in weekly. So weekly also here may be the opportunity at this point of 87. So I can change that in a weekly also. So daily time frame, so we have a very few number of stocks, and this point Canfin Home, Havels and Gujarat Gas. So Canfin Home, so that should be on daily time frame. So this is what a reversal, and Gujarat Gas. I mean one more opportunity here, and there is an opportunity from 400, and now it is 423. And so maybe market is down and recovered back. So we can go for a previous back test. Petronet and JK Cement on 16.8. Petronet and JK Cement 16th of August, maybe the point 9th, 16.8. It's about August here. 16.8, but market doesn't cross over that level, so maybe no opportunity. And the second one is JK Cement. Is there any opportunity on 16th August? Yeah, it is crossed after sometimes later around on the day of 24th. From that, it is giving you such a good swing. So where I can find out the swing rates here by using this particular lower level. So after the downtrend, so we find out the swing trading area, swing low. So we are going to find a buy opportunity at a swing point, swing low point. So that's a very important condition. So we find out with this scanner, we can find out and a lot of stocks. And if you're increasing this number, it will be giving you less number of stocks. If I run this, you can see the back test. Even Federal Bank is not there. So only few stocks. If you are decreasing, DV slab and 19. So let me go to check DV slab after consecutive downtrend. So here you can see it is keep on moving lower, and we find out 1st September is the swing trading lower point by using the scanner. So you can decrease the number, we get a many stocks by one. So we will run the scan and we will be finding out many stocks. So if you want a more number of stocks, Reliance on 410, Reliance, their opportunity 410 here is that after trigger, and your stop loss may not be triggered and it went higher. So if you are using very less number, Concor on 410, here is the point. Sorry, 12th October, 4th of 10th month. 4th here, the next candle which triggers, and after that it triggers your stop. But still the stock would be available in this list, and whatever the stock which is here in this thing, So you can easily back test with this. So it's a reliable and it could not be repaint. That is what a very important condition. So let me check for a weekly time frame. So I'll be making three. Okay. So whatever the time frame in daily, simply we are going to change it for a weekly. Okay. Let me go for weekly. All the time frame should be weekly. Then the scanner will be works for weekly. So don't ask for the scanner. This is a customized one which is available on premium group. So if you wish, you can take this as a premium member weekly. So should be 1 week ago. So let me check this. Yeah. So we have some stock on this week and this is what 30th October, which is ended with 30th October, right? So let me check M&M Finance on weekly time frame. Weekly 1 week time frame, the scanner will work for. Yeah. So maybe after the downtrend, so from 346, the stock which made a low of 238. So this last week, that is what 30th October, maybe we got an opportunity. 30th October is a starting and it is closed by 3rd of November. And now it is triggered. Maybe this one is a good looking for a weekly positional. So maybe 5 weeks or 10 weeks like holding. So that may be a good opportunity at the bottom. And few stocks like a weekly basis here something Lara slab on 24/4. Let me go to check on weekly time frame. This is what a reversal 24th April. We find out a reversal for the swing. After this consecutive downturn from 565, we find the reversal opportunity and that high is around 310. From that it went up to 417. Still now it wasn't positive. And this is what a back test more than 3 years back test because we are using weekly and exide on 23/5/2022. Exide 22 26/5. What is the date? 26/5/2022. Maybe the yeah, because that was started with 20 and closed with 26. 2022. 5, not this one here, 23rd. So that may be an opportunity. And then again, 20th of June, seeing exide maybe here at this point, JK Cement, and this week, exide would be there here. So this is what a reversal and the swing point where we find out exactly at the bottom of 138 to 200. Maybe this time it was triggers your stop loss, and the second time it was generating you such a big opportunity. By using the scanner, we can easily derive a swing trading by using this particular scanner. And this is what the video which I have created now. So this will help us to make a perfect swing trading. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions and doubts, just comment in the comment box below. And if you are still not subscribing my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And any other questions or doubt, just ping me on my comment box. Thank you so much.